Hi, Greg Leshevsky with Kawasaki. We're with Dirtbike Magazine today for the press launch of the 2014 KX250f. In 2014, we have a few updates, nothing major. We already have a really solid platform. As you know, it's got great top-end power. We've got dual injectors. We have the Showa separate function fork up front, super adjustable, super nice. We got the titanium coated lower fork tubes, and we have the coating on the inside of the outer fork tubes. New for 2014, we have the launch control. That's for the 250. It's a feature we had last year on the 450. This year, that's new to the 250. You know, we have the engine couplers to change the mapping. This year we have new grips again, a softer material from last year, narrower again. Some of the visual aspects, we have factory look. We have the forked sliders, which have the titanium coating on them. We got the blue adjuster caps, and we have the black rims. This year new was the white rear fender and the white number plates. So for the 250F, it's really solid. It's race proven in the past. Numerous championships, just a huge percentage of the wins. It's a solid foundation of a bike. Available late July in your dealerships. For more information, check out Kawasaki.com or Dirtbikemagazine.com.